People, welcome back to a no-nonsense video of how to remove wallpaper. Now, I know this is probably the shittest job in maybe perhaps all of DIY. I've tried all sorts. I've tried a steamer, but the problem with the steamer is that you'll get, if you leave it on for too long, you'll get patches like this. Now, this is a wall that I've already removed all the wallpaper from. You could have also tried the, this was from B&Q, 500ml concentrated wallpaper stripper from B&Q for £4. Does it really help? In my opinion, probably doesn't, to be honest with you. So probably save your money, don't buy that. You've got a few tools, some sort of scrapers here. This one's actually really good. I don't know whether you can, if the camera just focuses. It's just got a slight edge to it, if you can see that, which just helps to just get behind the wallpaper compared to just a normal straight edge like this. And then obviously I've just got a bigger scraper here, which obviously has been useful as well. Now, the best way I have found is boil some water in a kettle. Get a spray bottle and basically just literally spray it on. So that's what we're just going to do now is, let me just take this to the sink and follow me around. So we're literally, now I did put some concentrate in here, that's probably why the colour is slightly different, but we'll just remove that. And then we're literally going to put some boiling water in the spray bottle. And then we will just close the lid. And then all we're going to do is get our little scraper. Again, I found this, this little scraper was from Toolstation for a few quid. Came in a set of 3. And this is the area that I've done. So you can see the original wall is blue. This is the lining. Now I've already taken the wallpaper, or the main original wallpaper. You can probably see it up there. I've taken that off. Now there's 2 layers of lining on this wall, so I'm not sure whether the first lining on the front, as you can see here, is just peeling away. This was actually maybe from the back of the original wallpaper from the top when I took it off. I'm not too sure, but hey ho, it's a bit of a bitch trying to take it off. So the quickest way I found is working in little sections, and all you want to do is spray your boiling water on, just like that, onto the wall. And you just want to do this liberally. Again, just working in small sections. I'm just going to do this little area here. Again, I'm just going to loosen the nozzle, just like it comes out, a bit of like a jet, just like we can get some decent water on. Now this is what's going to happen, is this is going to, obviously the lining is going to soak the paper up, and then all you need to do with your scraper is hopefully this will just easily remove. As you can see there, it's just literally going behind the first set of lining, which sort of easily comes off. Again, apologies if the camera isn't at a great angle, but you get the sort of message, and that's literally just applying some hot water onto the wall. I have tried a sponge as well, you know, putting the solution in a sponge, in a bucket with some warm water, and then using the sponge to apply the water onto the wall, but I've just found it's just really messy, and water just gets everywhere. Now, if the water or your solution is in a spray bottle, such as this one, I just find it a lot easier to apply, and also water's just not going everywhere on your floors. Again, I've basically taken all the carpets off, but you might have put some piece of cloth down just to cover your carpet, etc. But I think it's always best to just remove the carpet if you're going to keep the carpets after your little redecoration. So again, this is just applying it to the second lining now, which, as you can see, is just coming off nicely here. Look at that, just like butter. And then you'll just have some stubborn patches where they've probably applied a bit more glue, and you can just scrape it off like that. And then you just want to peel it back, and then you can just apply a bit more water. Let it soak in, and then you should be able to just get your scraper behind there and work your way. So again, I've just found that using the spray bottle is probably, for me, the most efficient method of removing this without damaging the wall too much. Again, using the steamer, I've just found that obviously with the patches of plaster has come out. So again, yeah, so try it, give me some feedback, let me know what you guys think, what's worked well for you, and yeah, hopefully we'll meet again on the next one.